Hello, my name is Rose, and this is my tutorial on how to record videos using Google Vids, how to add text and pictures in that video, how to green screen, and how to turn it into Google Classroom. First, to record, you have to click over here on the record button, and then go down and click start recording, and then select which one you want to do. You can click audio, camera, camera and screen, and camera and screen acts as a green screen, or you can just do share your screen and then do a voice recording over that. After that, if you want to, you go down and then you click insert recording and then it'll pop up over here. Then to add text, you go over here, you can click which one you want to insert, and then you also can click your font. And then you also want to add shapes, and that's down here. After that, to turn it into Google Classroom, you have to go up here and click share. Once you click share, then you have to click copy link and then go into your Google Classroom, click add file, and then it'll pop up and you can add in your Google videos that you just recorded. Then after that, you can just turn in your assignment and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.